Hey folks, back, and we got another TSB, Technical Service Bulletin, and well, gosh, what is the number on this thing? I can't even find it right now. We got the TSB on it, and it is 19-2104. It's dated April of 2019, so it's been around for a little bit, good year, but it does cover the 2019 Ford Edge and 2019 Nautilus. And in some of the edges manufactured on or before 14 November 2018, and if you have a power lift gate, you might have a discharged battery or interior lamp cycling on and off erratically, or a Liftgate Ajar message on your IPC, instrument panel cluster, when the liftgate doors are shut. May be due to calibration of the rear gate trunk module, RGTM, keeping the module awake. Reprogramming the RGTM using the latest software level of the appropriate Ford diagnostic scan tool will fix the problem. Again, I've covered when and how and all this other stuff. Warranty. If your vehicle is not under the ESP program or any other limited warranty coverage, then it'll be on your nickel to get this repaired. Most of these should still be under warranty unless they exceeded their mileage or something like that. But basically the part number or the operation, it takes about 0.3 hours to do the job, and the operation number is 192104A, and basically they are reprogramming your RGTM. That's all they're really doing, and going through that. Basically, if you have the discharge, vehicle battery is discharging, going dead, anything like that, then they'll go ahead, take it into them, and they'll do it. So if it is not under warranty, you're going to be charged 0.3 hours of labor essentially to fix this. So you'd probably be coming out under $100 or so to get this done if it bothers you. But hey, discharging your battery probably would be a royal pain in the patookie, so we want to make sure we do that. But basically, we got all sorts of problems with that, so we want to make sure that we get it all taken care of. But I already said basically, but we'll go ahead and get that fixed, and that is your TSB for your rear lift gate. If you're having problems with that, go ahead, get it fixed, and you should have no problems. This is MACTFORDEDGE, and of course, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. This is a short video today, and make sure you watch the videos, folks. Help me out, watch these videos, and help support the channel and the group. MACTFORDEDGE is a growing, humongous group in the Ford Edge world. And on Facebook, and go ahead and join and subscribe to the channel here. But my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's always got some great music to play, and of course Mercy Girl's always got one-liners.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.